If you've got an iPhone 16 and you want to add your mail accounts in there, whether it's iCloud, Gmail, Yahoo, etc., we're going to show you how to set up multiple email on your iPhone 16 running on iOS 18. So if it's the first time you're adding email, let's open up settings, then tap on your profile. From there, go to iCloud. Let's tap on See All, then go to iCloud Mail, and make sure Use on this iPhone option is turned on. Otherwise, you'll have trouble adding emails to it. Alright, so next we're going to open up settings once again. Scroll down to Apps, scroll down to Mail app, to Mail Accounts, tap on Add Account. From this list, select your host. For example, I want to add my Gmail. You'll be prompted to sign in with your email address. Put down your email ID, then press Next, and then enter your password, then press Next. Press Continue. Check this box to grant some iOS permissions. Scroll down and then press Continue. Now, when prompted, make sure all these 4 options is selected so everything can be synced to this device. And then press Save. Now, by following this exact process, you can add multiple accounts on your iPhone 16. Now, when you're done adding, just go to your Mail app, to Mailbox. You'll see all the different accounts separately in here. You can enter one after another, let all the mail download, and that's it. You can start using your Mail app with your newly added mail account right away. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.